The psychology of absence. Why do we miss someone? Have you ever wondered what truly makes someone miss you? It's not just the time spent apart that sparks longing. There are specific psychological factors that can intensify their desire to be with you and make them think about you more frequently. In this video, we will explore how absence can be strategically used to strengthen an emotional bond, utilizing Stoic principles and attachment psychology. We will analyze how memory and emotions play a key role in how someone misses another person and how you can use self-control and emotional balance to leave a lasting impression. If you have ever felt that someone is drifting away or have recently gone through a separation, this video will provide practical tools to influence their perception without manipulation. So if you are new to the channel and interested in learning about relationships and Stoic wisdom, subscribe and join our community. Your journey toward deeper connections starts now. The psychology of absence. Why do we miss someone? Absence does not automatically mean that someone will miss you. For someone to feel your absence, there must first be a strong emotional bond. The human brain associates memories and emotions with significant people. When we share deep experiences with someone, they become engraved in our minds. However, it is in absence that emotional ties are truly reinforced. Key principles of attachment psychology. Pattern disruption. When someone who used to be present suddenly disappears, the mind goes into alert mode, trying to fill the void. Emotional reinforcement. Memories become more intense when we are not constantly exposed to a person, increasing the longing. Inevitable comparison. When interacting with others, they inevitably compare them to you, which can make them value what they had with you even more. Stoic lesson. Do not suffer for what you cannot control, but be so valuable that your absence is noticed. Now that we understand the psychology behind missing someone, let's explore concrete actions you can take to increase your emotional impact. Be irreplaceable in their routine. The key to making someone miss you is not simply disappearing, but having created a significant presence before your absence. Many times we take small, daily interactions for granted. But when someone disappears from our routine, their absence is felt more intensely. Examples of how your absence disrupts their routine. Morning messages disappear. If you used to send them a message every morning and suddenly they stop receiving it, they will notice the difference. Shared moments leave a void. Perhaps you used to have dinner together on certain days or watched a series as a couple. When that habit is broken, longing begins to appear. Details that made them feel special. If you remembered important dates or had unique ways of showing affection, those gestures will be hard to forget. Stoic teaching. We value more what we lose when we understand its true meaning. Your focus should be on creating experiences that leave a mark so that when you are not there, your absence is felt in their daily life. The paradox of attention. Give space to create desire. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "If you wish to be loved, do not demand attention, but become someone worthy of love." One of the most common mistakes in relationships is being too available. When we are constantly in someone's life, our presence loses impact. The principle of scarcity. People value more what is rare or difficult to obtain. If you are always available, your presence becomes routine rather than special. How to apply this in practice? Give them space. Instead of constantly seeking them out, allow them to experience life without you. Do not always be within reach. Do not respond to every message immediately. Waiting generates anticipation. Maintain your own life. Continue with your projects, friendships, and passions. Seeing that you have a world beyond them will increase their perception of your value. Stoic lesson. Do not cling to the presence of others. Let them discover their own desire to be with you. Nostalgia as a driver of desire. Emotional memories have incredible power. A special moment shared can become even more meaningful over time. Examples of how nostalgia can make them miss you. Hearing a song you both enjoyed together. Seeing a photo of you on social media or in their gallery. Passing by a place you visited together and reliving memories. From the Stoic perspective, it is not about manipulation, but about having left such a strong impression that the memories speak for themselves. How to enhance the effect of nostalgia? Be memorable in your interactions. Make every shared moment significant. Be different. Do not be like everyone else. Give them something unique to remember. Use subtle reminders. A social media story about something you did together can reignite those feelings. Stoic principle. Memory is the only possession that no one can take from us. Make yours worth remembering. Your growth is the best reminder of your value. One of the biggest mistakes after a separation or distancing is getting stuck in the pain. The Stoics teach us that adversity is an opportunity for growth. Instead of lamenting, use the distance to become a better version of yourself. How your growth will make them miss you. If you achieve something significant and they find out, they will wonder why they are no longer part of your life. Seeing that you move forward with strength and confidence will make them perceive you as someone valuable. Someone who continues progressing in life is much more attractive than someone trapped in nostalgia. Stoic lesson. Be so strong in your growth that your absence is felt more than your presence. Conclusion. Make your absence count. If you want someone to miss you, it is not about manipulation, but about understanding how the human mind works and applying principles of self-discipline and emotional balance. Summary of key strategies. Be significant when present so your absence is felt. Give them space to discover their desire to see you. Leave an emotional imprint with unique experiences. Use nostalgia as a reminder of shared moments. Focus on your personal growth and development. When you live with purpose and self-control, you become someone who is not only missed but admired. If this video has been useful to you, leave a comment with the phrase, "My absence will be unforgettable," and subscribe for more content on relationships and Stoic wisdom. See you in the next video. Embrace the wisdom of Stoicism and make your presence impossible to forget.